ఇది హైదరాబాద్ కు సంబంధించినటువంటి గతంలో కేటీఆర్ గారు ఎస్ఎన్డిపి ఊసుకోపోయి మా బయట కూడా తిరగని కొడుకా మేములని ఏమనుకుంటున్నారా మీరు? ఈ అమ్మ తోలు తీస్తా కొడుక ఒక్కొక్కంది తోలు తీస్తా ఒక్కొక్కంది చెప్తున్నా తోలు తీస్తా ఏమరే బయట కూడా తిరగని అని చెప్తున్నా నేను. రారా
మాట్లాడు.
It is a very wrong message which will go. Sir, not using, sir, you might have not heard. Sir, he said about mothers. That is not right. And then after that, he also said, come out. I will see. Sir, but the mic was there, sir. Sir, mic was there. It came in the mic. Honorable Speaker, sir, I am requesting you, sir, it will not be good, sir. It is not good for this house. I know people provoke us. I know there are people who instigate us, but we have to keep our control. We cannot just get led away. It is not good for the house, sir. I request through you once again, without giving any reasons, you are a senior member, Mr. Nagendra Saab, I request that, yes, in that anger, I did. I am sorry about it. I apologize for it. Then, the decorum of this house will remain. Kindly, sir, through you, I just want to request.